Okay, hello, my name is Sean Castro, and this is my presentation. It's gonna be the Tampanuli orangutans. Alright, today I'm gonna talk about their genus, their social behavior, where they're from, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about interesting facts about them. Okay, so first let's talk about their genus. Okay, so their genus is the Tampanuli orangutans. Is in the name already. They're from the orangutans genus. And the orangutan genus, I think, is from the Pongo. Yeah, Pongo. I'm sorry if I pronounce anything wrong. Okay. Where they're from? The Tampanuli orangutans are from Sumatra and Indonesia. I think all of them or most of them is living. Most of the orangutan is living in Sumatra, Indonesia. Their morphology. The Tapan orangutan is morphology is that they have the body build and the fur color same as the Sumatran orangutans. One of the three kinds of orangutans is the Sumatran, Tampanuli, and the Domanian. I think, yeah. And this Tampanuli orangutan have the same body build, and fur color as the Sumatran orangutan. However, they're slightly different. Is that the Tampanuli orangutan have frizzier hair, smaller heads, but flatter and wider faces, as you can see right here on the photos. So you can see right here. This guy has like a small head in the middle, but he has the wider face, and it's flat. Yeah, it's kind of wide. And those are called the flangers, by the way. Yeah, this is the domain males, I think. Tamil Nadu have prominent mustaches. They have large, flat cheeks, fat, as you can see right here. And they're covered in downy kind of hair right here, like the mustache is budding right here. As you can see, right here. Yeah. Okay. Next is their behavior tendencies. Okay. So the social behavior is that the wild orangutan fathers, they don't really have no direct role in raising their children, their offspring, but the non-recipient adult females they'll associate with their young offspring, and with the other adult males. The subadult males usually associate with females, particularly with adolescents, but are not generally aggressive towards other males. The adolescent females travel together, especially when age differences are minimal. And also, the one reason why they do that is because they travel together. Because in the Sumatra area, there's other animal living there besides them, so they might get attacked or something. That's why they try to protect each other by traveling together. The male and male competition for access sexuality representative females is the major factor in orangutans' adaptation. Yep, they fight for the females, and then the tool used. This is actually quite interesting. The orangutans have high cognitive abilities comparable to other apes. Basically, they're slightly smarter than the other apes. They use slippery branches to shelter themselves from rain and sun. I think that's pretty smart considering they're apes. They also uses branches as tools to fish for branches fruits that is out of reach. And you can see, I have one example right about there, top middle. So you can see this orangutan is trying to reach this peanut butter, I think, with his stick because he couldn't reach it. And on the very top right, short video right there is like two orangutans like bonding with each other. And then I just added this random one because I think it's kind of funny. The one on the very bottom left, this one orangutan is trying to use a hammer and a nail. The guy is trying to teach him how to use it. I think it's pretty cool, in my opinion. Okay, and now I'm gonna talk about their diet. So the Champani orangutan's diet is similar to other orangutan species. How they eat a lot of fruits, leaves, saplings, bugs, and small insects. However, the Tamponi orangutan is kind of slightly different because they're the only one who eats pine cones and caterpillar. I think that's kind of weird that they eat pine cones, but they're orangutans, so I don't really know. And this is an example of them eating right here. This guy's eating a banana. That's one of the Tampani orangutans, and this one orangutan is right there in the middle. is eating some kind of fruit, and I just added this two baby orangutans like eating. This thing's kind of cute. Interesting facts about them. Okay, so interesting facts about the Tampani orangutan is that they're the most ancient out of the three orangutan species, and there's only 800 of them existed in the world right now, and I think all of them is in the Sumatra in Indonesia. The Tampanoli orangutans are recognized as a distinct species via DNA analysis in late 2017, and I also think that that's the year when they were discovered, 2017. They are threatened by hunting, which are that means that they're endangered because there's only 800 of them, and then some people are trying to kill them. One also interesting fact is that in their habitat, I think some company like a Chinese company trying to build like they're trying to destroy their habitat and building like some type of dam or structure in the area. That's why it's having a hard time right now also. And that's it for me. This is my works cited page. Thank you very much.